Men's style, a timeless journey of expression and identity. What can we learn from the past to sharpen our look today? Let's explore the fascinating evolution of men's fashion, from historical icons to modern trends. Historical style icons. Throughout history, men's fashion has been shaped by culture and power. Take the Renaissance, where elaborate doublets and fine fabrics reflected wealth. Then came the Victorian era, with tailored suits symbolizing discipline and refinement. Fast forward to the 1920s, when jazz culture introduced relaxed yet sharp styles, redefining what it meant to be fashionable. Modern trends and influences. Today, men's style draws inspiration from these historical trends. Tailored suits remain a staple, but with a modern twist. Think slimmer cuts and bolder colors. Meanwhile, casual wear has embraced vintage aesthetics, with bomber jackets and loafers making a strong comeback. Practical style tips. So, how can you apply these lessons? Start with timeless essentials. A well-fitted blazer and versatile Oxford shoes are just as relevant today as they were decades ago. Don't be afraid to mix historical elements with modern ones. Pair a vintage-inspired waistcoat with contemporary slim trousers, or rock a leather jacket with a crisp white shirt, a nod to James Dean's iconic style. Fashion is a conversation between the past and the present. By understanding where we come from, we can create a style that's uniquely ours. So, what's your take on this journey? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Stay sharp, gentlemen.